What if I told you there's a wild plant growing in roadside ditches across America that Dr. Sebi called one of the most powerful blood purifiers on Earth? Most people walk right past it. They have no idea their iron deficiency, their tired skin, their sluggish liver, even their chronic fatigue could all be reversed by this single bitter root. It is one of the most underestimated healing plants in the entire herbal tradition, and by the end of this video, you will understand exactly why. In this video, you will discover the ancient 2,000-year history of yellow dock, exactly what Dr. Sebi taught about this overlooked herb, 6 life-changing benefits backed by traditional healers and modern research, and 4 simple ways to take it at home. Stay until the end because I will share Dr. Sebi's exact blood-building combination that traditional herbalists have used for generations to rebuild iron, energy, and vitality from the ground up. Yellow dock, known by botanists as Rumex crispus, has been part of human healing for over 2,000 years. The ancient Greeks used its bitter roots to treat skin diseases and to cleanse the bowels. The physician Dioscorides wrote about it in his great herbal text called De Materia Medica, recommending it for swollen glands and skin eruptions. Roman soldiers carried dried yellow dock on long campaigns to fight fatigue and weakness in the field, mixing it with vinegar and honey for a quick energy tonic. In medieval Europe, herbalists called it the patience plant, because it was said to teach the body patience while it slowly purified the blood. Monks grew it in monastery gardens and used it for stubborn skin diseases that other herbs could not touch. Native American tribes, including the Cherokee, the Iroquois, and the Ojibwe, used yellow dock root tea for skin sores, swollen glands, and what they called bad blood. They also crushed the fresh leaves to draw out the sting of nettle and insect bites. By the 1800s, yellow dock had become a staple of American folk medicine, listed in the United States Pharmacopoeia for decades as an official remedy for chronic skin disease and iron-poor blood. Country doctors prescribed it for everything from anemia to eczema to swollen lymph nodes. Now let's talk about Dr. Sebi, the Honduran herbalist who changed how the world thinks about plant medicine. Dr. Sebi placed yellow dock at the very top of his nutritional guide as an approved alkaline herb. He believed that the body becomes diseased only when mucus and acid build up in the cells, and that the right plants can dissolve that buildup and return the body to its natural alkaline state. He specifically recommended yellow dock as a natural source of iron, calling synthetic iron supplements toxic and unusable by the human body. According to Dr. Sebi, plant iron from yellow dock binds with the blood the way nature intended, with no constipation, no nausea, and no harsh side effects. He often said that the body was never designed to absorb iron from a laboratory, but it was designed to absorb iron from a plant. He combined yellow dock with burdock root and sarsaparilla in his famous Iron Plus formula, which he said could rebuild the blood, restore mineral balance, and bring the body back to vibrant health. Thousands of people who followed his protocols reported reversals of anemia, chronic fatigue, and skin conditions that conventional medicine could not address. His message was simple: trust the plants, trust the alkaline path, and start with the root that the ancient herbalists never forgot, yellow dock. The first benefit is deep blood purification. Yellow dock root contains powerful bitter compounds called anthraquinones, which stimulate the liver to filter toxins, hormone byproducts, and metabolic waste out of your bloodstream. Traditional herbalists call this an alterative effect, meaning it slowly transforms the entire internal terrain of the body over time. Within 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use, many people report clearer skin, more energy, better sleep, and a sense of inner cleanliness they had not felt in years. This is not a quick fix. It is a long, steady cleansing that works at the cellular level. The second benefit is rich plant-based iron. Yellow dock root contains roughly 40 milligrams of iron per 100 grams of dried herb, which is more than spinach, more than beef liver, and more than most iron supplements on the market. But here is the magic. It also contains natural vitamin C and bitter compounds that increase your stomach's ability to absorb that iron. The iron in yellow dock is bonded with plant molecules that your body recognizes and welcomes. This is why Dr. Sebi and traditional healers used yellow dock for anemia, chronic fatigue, pale skin, brittle nails, hair loss, and weakness during pregnancy. Women in particular often see dramatic improvements within just a few weeks. The third benefit is liver and gallbladder support. The bitter taste of yellow dock signals your liver to produce more bile, the green gold fluid that breaks down fats, removes old cholesterol, and carries waste out of the body. A sluggish liver shows up as morning grogginess, brain fog, intolerance to fatty foods, dull skin, and unexplained weight gain. Yellow dock acts like a gentle daily tune-up for your liver, helping it run cleaner and process toxins more efficiently. Over months of regular use, the liver becomes a more powerful filter, which means every other organ in your body benefits too. The fourth benefit is healing the skin from the inside out. For over 1,000 years, yellow dock has been the go-to remedy for eczema, psoriasis, acne, rosacea, and chronic rashes. The reason is simple. Skin problems almost always start in the gut and the blood. By cleansing both, yellow dock removes the root cause of skin trouble instead of just masking the symptoms with creams or steroids. Within 4 to 6 weeks, users often see real changes in skin tone, texture, and clarity. The skin becomes brighter, smoother, and more even, because the body is no longer pushing toxins out through the pores. The fifth benefit is gentle digestive relief. Yellow dock contains mild, natural laxative compounds that wake up sluggish bowels without the violent cramping of harsh commercial laxatives. It is especially helpful for people with chronic constipation, bloating, gas, or that heavy feeling after meals. By moving waste out efficiently, yellow dock prevents toxins from being reabsorbed back into the bloodstream, which is one of the hidden causes of fatigue and dull skin. The bitter taste also stimulates digestive enzymes, so you absorb more nutrients from every meal. The sixth benefit is lymphatic drainage. Your lymphatic system is the silent waste removal network of your body, but unlike the heart, it has no pump. It depends on movement, hydration, and the right herbs to keep flowing. Yellow dock is one of the most respected lymph-moving herbs in the Western herbal tradition. It helps reduce swollen glands, breaks up congestion under the skin, and clears the puffy, sluggish feeling that comes from a backed-up lymph system. Combined with daily movement and deep breathing, yellow dock can transform how clean and light your body feels. Now let's talk about how to actually take this herb. There are 4 powerful preparations you can make at home, and each one has a slightly different strength. Method 1 is the root decoction. Add 1 teaspoon of dried yellow dock root to 2 cups of water. Simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes, then strain. Drink 1 cup in the morning and 1 cup in the evening on an empty stomach for best absorption. The taste is bitter and earthy, but you can add a touch of raw agave or fresh ginger to make it more pleasant. Method 2 is the tincture. Take 1 to 2 milliliters of yellow dock root tincture in a small glass of water 2 times a day. This is the most concentrated form and works fast. Tinctures are great for travel or for people who do not want to brew tea every day. Method 3 is the capsule. Take 1 to 2 capsules of yellow dock root powder, 400 to 500 milligrams each, with meals once or twice a day. This is the easiest method for beginners and for anyone who cannot tolerate the bitter taste. Method 4 is the Dr. Sebi Iron Plus blend. Combine equal parts of dried yellow dock root, burdock root, and sarsaparilla root. Simmer 1 tablespoon of the mixture in 3 cups of water for 20 minutes. Strain and drink 1 cup in the morning and 1 cup in the evening for deep blood building and full mineral nourishment. This is the traditional formula that thousands of people have used to rebuild their energy and vitality. For best results, take Yellow Dock for 3 weeks, then rest for 1 week before starting again. This rhythm keeps the body responsive and prevents your system from becoming dependent on any single herb. Always drink plenty of water while taking Yellow Dock, because the cleansing process needs fluid to flush toxins out. A quick word on safety. Yellow Dock is not recommended during pregnancy or for people with a history of kidney stones. Start with a low dose, and if you take any prescription medication, check with your doctor first. Always listen to your body. Yellow Dock truly is one of nature's hidden treasures. To make it easy for you to get started, I have left a link to a trusted source of high-quality organic Yellow Dock root down in the description below. Look for wild-crafted or organic sources for the cleanest healing power. If this video helped you, hit subscribe for more of Dr. Sebi's approved herbs. Stay rooted, stay alkaline, and stay well.